This is a B430 Brother automated tacking machine, commonly used for strapping, like on this buckle. It's also used as a reinforcement stitch on the opening of bags, and also used to tack down reinforcement pieces of fabric. The stitch created by the bar tacker can either be a straight line or a zigzag, and it stitches 42 stitches per inch. In this video, I'll show you how to use the automated bar tacker. First, we'll turn the machine on. This machine does require safety glasses. We'll place our material underneath the clamp of the machine. I'll use my left hand to hold the threads tightly. My right foot, I'm going to push the foot pedal down, holding it down. That'll bring down the clamp. Then I'll push harder on the foot pedal and release the foot pedal to start the tack. Once it's finished, you can pull the material out from underneath the needle and clip your threads. This creates a strong reinforcement stitch or a bar tack.